This is a message for all Australians and permanent residents looking to return home in the near future. Because of the risk from COVID-19 and the pressure on our quarantine facilities, the Australian Government has decided to limit the flow of international passengers into Australian airports. From today, the 13th of July, there are caps on the number of international passengers who may enter Australian airports. To Sydney, 450 arrivals per day. For Perth, a cap of 525 international arrivals per week. For Brisbane, a cap of 500 international arrivals a week. And for now, there are no international flights into Victoria. This passenger cap system is temporary. It's going to apply initially for 4 weeks until the 8th of August. Further, more states and territories will now introduce significant charges for the cost of 2 weeks quarantine that passengers must undergo. Individual states and territories will determine and manage this. We ask all Australians who are looking to return home to keep in regular contact with your airline and your travel agent to confirm your arrangements. Make sure you've considered all your options. Be prepared to put in place an alternative, just in case your flight is cancelled or changed. We know this is a difficult time and frustrating for many Australian travellers. We've been fortunate that direct flights have continued to operate from Taiwan to Australia. Think carefully about whether this is the right time for you to return home from Taiwan. If you are staying on in Taiwan, we encourage you to be patient, to ensure you have a safe place to stay, and to follow the advice of the local authorities and minimise your risk of exposure to COVID-19. Remember the simple steps we can follow to be COVID safe. Wash your hands regularly. Keep a distance of 1.5 metres from others. On public transport and crowded situations in Taiwan, wear a mask. And if you are returning to Australia, do download and use the COVID Safe app today. Thank you.